Creating a professional account has lots of benefits. One of them is that the professional Instagram accounts will allow you to view insights into your content, activity, and audiences. You will be able to see your reach, impressions, interactions, and follower demographic to improve your Instagram engagement and exposure continuously. You can also track your overall growth and whether anyone has followed or unfollowed you. Now, to turn your personal account into a professional account, all you gotta do is to go to your profile and click this menu bar. And then click this settings option. After that, scroll a little and click this switch to a professional account. Read these instructions and then click the continue button. Here, select the category that best defines your page or profile. If your page is about music, then you can select the music or band category. I'll select video creator for the purpose of this video. Now, if you want, you can display the category on your profile by toggling this. Other viewers will see this if you turn it on. Now click the done button. Here, you can select between business and creator account. Creator account is best for public figures, content producers, artists and influencers, while the business account is best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organizations, and service providers. Since my category is video creator, I'll go for the creator account and click the next button. Okay, so we have successfully created our professional account. Complete these 5 steps. I'll do it later, so I'll close this now. You see, we have the video creator displayed here. This is it. You can do a lot with this professional account. Thanks for watching.